The Gateway Arch. The Gateway Arch is located in St. Louis, Missouri. It is named the Gateway Arch because St. Louis was known as the Gateway to the West in the 1800s. It was the largest big city people would pass through before heading west, so it was sort of like a gate that opened to the west. The Gateway Arch is a memorial for President Thomas Jefferson and the purchase of the western lands of the United States in the Louisiana Purchase. The purchase encouraged people to move or expand to the west. It was called westward expansion. In 1935, President Franklin Roosevelt set aside land in St. Louis along the Mississippi River for a monument. A design for the monument was decided on in 1948. Construction on the monument began in 1963 and was completed in 1965. It was opened to the public in 1967. The Gateway Arch was dedicated as a national monument by President Hubert Humphrey in 1968. The designer of the Gateway Arch was Eero Saarinen. He is shown here with a model of the arch. The Gateway Arch cost $13 million to build. Today, that would be equal to about $195 million. The Gateway Arch is 630 feet tall and made of stainless steel. It weighs 886 tons, which is 1,772,000 pounds. The two legs of the arch are 630 feet apart. There is an observation deck at the top of the arch. Inside the Gateway Arch are trams that take people to the observation deck at the top. Each of the 8 cars on the tram can seat 5. The observation deck is 65 feet long and 7 feet wide, with 16 windows on each side. People can see for 30 miles from the observation deck. It can hold 160 people. The Gateway Arch Fact Box. In high winds, the Gateway Arch can sway 18 inches. 4 million people visit every year. The Gateway Arch is the tallest arch in the world. In 1992, John Vincent climbed to the top of the Gateway Arch using suction cups and then parachuted down just for excitement. The Gateway Arch has been the target of several daring stunts, including pilots flying airplanes through the legs of the arch, a hot air balloonist flying through the arch, and skydivers parachuting and landing on the arch. In 1998, lighting was installed so the arch can be lit up at night. It is lighted from 10 o'clock at night to 1 o'clock in the morning. There are 6 lightning rods on top of the Gateway Arch.